Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In programming, a for loop is a control structure that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specified number of times. It is particularly useful when you know in advance how many times you want to execute a statement or a block of statements. For loops in Module 7 Programming Fundamentals. In this tutorial, we will cover the following. 1. Basic syntax of a for loop. 2. Looping through a range of numbers. 3. Looping through a list. 4. Using for loops with conditionals. 5. Nested for loops. 6. Example code. 1. Basic syntax of a for loop. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is Python. For variable in iterable. Code block to execute. Variable, a temporary variable that takes the value of each item in the iterable. Iterable, an object that can return its elements one at a time, like a list, tuple, string, etc. 2. Looping through a range of numbers. In Python, you can use the range function to generate a sequence of numbers. Python. For I in range, 5. Print, I. Output asterisk. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. In this example, the loop runs 5 times, printing numbers from 0 to 4. 3. Looping through a list. You can also loop through a list, or any iterable, directly. Python. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. For fruit in fruits. Print, fruit. Output asterisk. Apple. Banana. Cherry. 4. Using for loops with conditionals. You can combine for loops with conditional statements to perform actions based on certain conditions. Python. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For number in numbers. If number %2 equals 0. Print, f number is even. Else. Print, f number is odd. Output asterisk. 1 is odd. 2 is even. 3 is odd. 4 is even. 5 is odd. 5. Nested for loops. A nested for loop is a loop inside another loop. This is useful for working with multidimensional data structures. Python. For I in range, 3 outer loop. For j in range, 2 inner loop. Print, fi equals I, j equals j. Output asterisk. I equals 0, j equals 0. I equals 0, j equals 1. I equals 1, j equals 0. I equals 1, j equals 1. I equals 2, j equals 0. I equals 2, j equals 1. 6. Example code. Here's a more comprehensive example that combines various concepts we've discussed. This program will create a multiplication table for numbers 1 through 5. Python. Multiplication table for numbers 1 to 5. For I in range, 1, 6 outer loop for the numbers. For j in range, 1, 6 inner loop for multiplication. Print, fixj equals I asterisk j. Print a new line after each inner loop. Output asterisk. 1x1 equals 1. 1x2 equals 2. 1x3 equals 3. 1x4 equals 4. 1x5 equals 5. 2x1 equals 2. 2x2 equals 4. 2x3 equals 6. 2x4 equals 8. 2x5 equals 10. 3x1 equals 3. 3x2 equals 6. 3x3 equals 9. 3x4 equals 12. 3x5 equals 15. 4x1 equals 4. 4x2 equals 8. 4x3 equals 12. 4x4 equals 16. 4x5 equals 20. 5x1 equals 5. 5x2 equals 10. 5x3 equals 15. 5x4 equals 20. 5x5 equals 25. Conclusion. For loops are a powerful way to iterate over sequences and collections in Python. They can be combined with conditionals and nested to solve complex problems. Understanding how to effectively use for loops is essential for programming and will greatly enhance your coding skills. Feel free to experiment with the examples and modify them to deepen your understanding.